Hi, spiritual family. I'm here to do a collective reading for crystal healings, and let's see what our native spirit wants us to know today. With peace, love, and light, I ask all of our divine ancestors, ascended masters of the Most High, the Christ consciousness, the divine Mother, Father, spirits, and just all positivity on this channel that I would like to present to the family. And I'm so grateful for you all joining me today in this collective reading. So let's get right into it. Let's see what our native spirit wants us to know. But first, I would like to cleanse our space with some Palo Santo. Peace, love, and light. Yes, thank you. I call positive energy in this reading today. Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, be with us today. In the vast universe, protect us. And I thank you for all your many blessings in love, life, harmony, unity. Okay, let's get right into it. So the card that popped out in Unity want us to talk about today is Vision Quest. Vision Quest. So let's get into it. I'm hearing Spirit wants us to look at things in a positive way and to not control everything that comes into our passageway, which means basically let Spirit guide you in the best way. And if you have a vision, then ask for spiritual guidance to make sure that those are correct visions instead of karmic, what can I say? How can I say this? Karmic thoughts that is being put onto you by another, because sometimes that can happen where we absorb other people's energies that's not ours. So that's why before you get into the vision, make sure that you have clarity with your spiritual team that is of the Most High. So this card basically means sacred seeker. Take time away from people and situations. Step back, withdraw. Inner truth is emerging in stillness. But first, you need to retreat. Know that you're guided. Look for your answers in different ways. The answers are all around you. Watch for signs in the coming day. Trust that your life is being directed. And this is what your native spirit also wants you to know. In earth-based cultures, larger questions about life are often answered on vision quests or solo retreats in nature. Questions such as, who am I? What am I meant to do with my life? And what is my mission and my purpose in life? Were often answered on quests of various kinds, even if you don't have burning questions. When this card chooses you, it's telling you to take time away from your ordinary life. Take time to explore the depths of your soul. Your soul knows the truth. Take time and quietude to discover what it is. The answer to your questions are all around you, but you must be still to hear these messages. Your journey. Spend time alone, preferably in nature, without your cell phone and internet, and even without pencil and paper or book. Simply be. Listen to the world around you. Be still. Watch for signs. Open your heart to receive messages from the divine. Exactly. So, with this being said, even with all the new technology and all the media that's going on that we interact with it on a daily basis, sometimes we can get influences from those um, media sites and stuff, but our inner truth is what we really need to rely on at the end of the day when we have deep questions that we are trying to basically understand or overstand. So, with this being said, take a break from the internet and find your own inner peace and find your own inner guidance. Connect back with nature, and it will also guide you to the best, to your higher self and your best and the best that you can be. So I would like to thank you all for coming into this reading and starting this journey with me, and I appreciate all you guys. With peace, love, and light, I love you all. Have a blessed day.